Hello students, the next topic that you have to learn that is about nylon. Chemically it is a polymer. It is the strongest synthetic plastic material which can be molded to any shape. Actually nylon is another man-made fiber. In 1931 it was made without using any natural raw materials like from plants or from animals. It is totally made up of chemicals. Rayon is a combination of natural material as well as chemical, but nylon purely made up of chemicals. It is strong and easy to dye. Nylon fiber do not absorb water easily. It is elastic in nature and hence highly durable, right? Properties of nylon: it is toughest elastic material, high tensile strength, slightly water absorbent, dries quickly. It can be molded into fibers, bristles, sheets, rods, tubes and coatings. Resist oils, grease, moths, fungus and other pests. Can be made into plates or powdered. Is lustrous and easy to wash. Now we will learn the uses of nylon. Used to make stretchable wares, seat belts, upholstery, ropes, reel thread, sleeping bags, swimming wears, raincoats, track shoes, fishing nets and fishing lines. Also used in making saris. Next, about polyester. Alcohol and organic acid react to make compounds called esters, which are polymers, right? So repeating unit of ester, that forms polyester. And how ester is made? Ester is made by combination of alcohol and organic acid. Polyester come under the brand names of Tyroline, Dacron, Terene and polyester. Properties of polyester: resistant to pests and chemicals, dries quickly, easy to wash, does not shrink or stretch, forms a permanent crease if heated and pressed, tough, lightweight and elastic. Uses of polyester: used in making magnetic audio and video cassettes and floppy disks. Highly suitable for shirting, suits, right? Saris and draperies. Next use: mixed with fiber glass for molding it into helmets, protective seats and hulls in boats. Next, about acrylic. Acrylic is often used as a substitute for wool. The reason is its properties are similar to wool. Acrylic fiber are strong and wrinkle resistant. It is easy to wash and dries quickly. It is resistant to moths, oils, chemicals and deterioration on exposure to sunlight. Properties of acrylic that are resistant to moths, soft with crimps resembling wool, is durable, light and washable, strong and stain resistant, also available in sheets, can be dyed in different colors. Uses of acrylic: acrylic knitting wool is good for baby wears because they are soft, warm and washable. Used for making artificial fur, blankets, carpets, etc. A transparent type of acrylic is used to cover automobile lights, lenses, and surgical tools. Okay, these are the uses of acrylic.